It is the one thing that I've done that has changed my life the best in a beneficial way. It was just a means of improving myself. I heard about this technology years before, and I didn't know where to find it, so I didn't look. My mother actually was the one that came to me with a little brochure. I immediately jumped on the promotion to come in and start the intensive. The first thing I noticed coming out of the intensive was just how excellent my sleep was and how much brighter my days were because of that. Getting feedback from friends and family, they noticed changes like I'm a lot more calm, I'm more confident, I don't get stressed as easily in certain situations, especially social situations, and my sleep, like everyone says, definitely improved a bunch. I don't have to reach for coffee as often, This allowed me to slow down and focus on the task at hand or whatever I'm trying to, maybe a message I'm trying to find. My words come to me better. If there's a to-do list, then I have more clairvoyancy with how I should start and end and pace myself and, have lunch here, then pick back up over here on what you're doing and stuff, instead of trying to figure out all day long how I'm supposed to begin, maybe. I've recommended to many people, even people who don't complain about sleep or anxiety or too much stress. I just say, think about it, look into it. For me, it's changed my life, and you'll definitely notice, no matter who you are, it's going to make a difference.